Hey, I'm quite super pumped to introduce Video App Suite to you. Video App Suite is one of the craziest offers I've seen in my entire promotion in 2019. Of course, the Video App Creation Suite is put together by my very good friend Paul Porner. Like if you're watching the screen straight up here, you could see the young dude standing just right before you. Yeah, Paul Porner put together 8 core video creating tools, all given away for the price of one. So imagine not 1, not 2, not 5, not 6, but 8 powerful video creating tools for the price of just one. And something interesting he did again was that when you are getting this 8 tool, you have the option to go for an upsell for a commercial right. If you go for a commercial right, then you can resell all the videos you get from this from these products. You could also have access to this app when you upgrade to the software in a box. That is software business in a box. When you upgrade to the software business in a box, now you know what crazy thing my friend Paul Porner is doing here for you. You are going to get access to the entire video creating app for yourself as a reseller. You will also be given access to the sales pages. Here you can see the entire sales pages. You could click on the sales page to preview the search page, and of course you could then load the sales page and edit every content to customize it to whatever you want it to be, and straight up you could start selling these video apps yourself. All right, hold it there. Before I go about saying more about the crazy offer that my friend Paul Porner has put together here for you, let me also take you on to my promo page to show you what step further I've gone to make this offer the most craziest, the most juicy, the best of all offers you'll be getting in this 2019. Of course, I bet you can't find this anywhere. You could shop around, and I'm also certain that you've gotten several emails concerning Video App Suite, but I want to tell you, hold it there, clear all your cache right on, clear all your bookmark right on, because the offer I'm giving to you is the best of it all. It's no-brainer combined with what Paul Porner is putting together for you. Now, here I am on to my promo page. Now, right on the promo page, you're going to find Smoking Hot. RESELL 8 brand new world-class video apps as your own. Of course, it's a deal of the year. All resources to use in market to bank in your first 5 to 6 figure revenues. That's crazy. Now, if you scroll down, this is what you're going to get. You're going to find this very video replaced on this teaser on this page right here. If you go down, I want you to click on this call to action button. This is a no-brainer. All 8 video creating new apps to be given out for an elevated discount price of 1 with insane VVIP yet to launch bonuses. That is what is really getting me go, hey! Right, so scrolling down here, you're going to see all put together brand new product yet to launch. They're actually launching in August, September and October. All these apps are ready, and once you grab access to the Video App Suite, I'm granting you access to the full funnel. Now think for a second what it means to have access to a full funnel of an app. Do you know what that means? It means that you have bought the entire app to yourself, and that is the entire offer we're giving you. And this offer, because of how powerful it is, I'm letting this go for just 7 hours. At exactly the 7th hour when the cart is open, I'm closing this offer. Of course, I'm a business person. I want to launch this app. I want to sell it. And certainly you will come to see the need of this app, and you would want to pay for it in future when it is actually launched. So for you to get access and to save yourself some $1,000, you need to get access to Video App Suite within the first 7 hours of the launch of Video App Suite, and you'll be granted instant access to all of these new apps that are going to be launched. First of it is scroll down on this page, watch the video guide on our Doc Studio Airface, which is launching in August. And what does Doc Studio Airface does for you? Doc Studio Airface helps you to create, edit, rebrand any ebook, magazine, catalogs, and PDF. And of course, you could grab leads on the go. You could set lock timing or lock on any of the pages, which will result in you grabbing the leads into any of the connected autoresponder. And of course, the last time something like this was launched was sometime last year, which was Scribble. And as powerful as Scribble was, with over $1 million sales which was made, there are still some features, some missing mark in Scribble, which you will get fixed up on Doc Studio FX. And that is why you need to hold on to Doc Studio FX, which is one of our VVIP access, which you will get within the first 7 hours of the cat opening for Video App Suite. And again, the second app which you'll be granted access to is our X Influencer. This is actually launching in September 2019. You could also click to watch the review demo video of our X Influencer and see the power in it. With X Influencer, imagine accessing all top influencers within any niche of your choice, across Instagram, across Twitter, across YouTube, and across any blog of your choice. You can get these influencers to make your promo whatever your campaign goal is, be it a website traffic, be it an event you have, be it a training you have, or whatever promotional content you want these influencers to put before you to their tons of followers which are loyal to them. You will have them do so. And of course, the third among the bonus offer which we're giving out to is our Omni Marketo. Omni Marketo, this will be launching in August 2019. And of course, you'll also be seeing the demo video right on the page here. Omni Marketo is a multi-channel communication integration platforms that allows you to send instant call to action messages to your leads. You can send them bulk SMSs, premium SMSs, which instantly delivers to their mobile phones. You could also forward to them interactive voice response, creating several campaigns with interactive voice response. Imagine someone using his mobile phone with an instruction which you have given out on your flyers, on your printout, or on a radio program or a television program, and pop on his phone, he makes a request on a voice prompt that has been called out to him, and he receives a PDF or any of the redirected destination you want to send the user to right on his phone. Everything happening right on his phone. And the file could also be downloaded into his mobile phone. That is crazy. That is quite engaging enough. You also have the option to use our top-notch email marketing system. You can send bulk unlimited email system from this system. And this hits inbox because we've carefully gone through the entire science of letting your emails hit inbox. At least we could guarantee you a good percentage of inbox delivery if you go by the guides as seen on your very page. And this we are also giving you a limited access because we are launching this come October 2019. Again, you have just the first 7 hours when the card is open for Video App Suite to get access to this. And once you have the account open, come down to this page, you'll see a countdown. Once this countdown gets to 0, it will lock down access to you to have our VVIP bonuses. And of course, you can click on I want all 8 video apps now to start reselling, and that will give you an instant access to Video App Suite tool, which you can see an entire Video App Suite. Here you have the intro, outro, expert, which is a video creation tool that helps you to quickly create intro and outro videos for any of your business needs or niche needs or a client needs that you may want to perform. You also have the Cover Pro. Cover Pro allows you to create quick videos for your Facebook covers, YouTube covers, or what you could be your Instagram or your Pinterest profile pages. So you could create all of that. Now, again, we have Live Mockup. Live Mockup allows you to add your logos or your branding to whatever footage, video footage you could find from our collection. Of course, in a split of seconds, I'm going to be showing all of that, which you're going to get when you acquire Video App Suite. When you scroll down, you also get to see about the fourth video creating tool, which is a slide machine that allows you to work with any images and create a quick video slides for yourself, for your brand, as well as for your clients. Of course, having access to all of these apps positions you to become a video agency marketer. That's it. Now, you also have the Story Monarch video creating app, which allows you to create story post videos, which you can use on your Instagram to drive engagement. You could also use it on your Pinterest or any of your social networks, and you could have them resize however you want it to be. Again, we have the whiteboard here. Whiteboard allows you to create white explainer videos, animated videos that drives engagement. That's it's already gotten. So right here, you've already seen the 6 videos which you have access to. Now the 7th video is your video ads architect. Video ads architect allows you to quickly create video ads content which you can use to drive ads or to create hit on your sponsored post on Facebook, and of course drive engagement. You could also have access to our custom video effects. Our custom video effects allows you to quickly add effects in any of your existing video, which you can pick from your local machine, add whatever effect as you may want it to be, and pop, you have access to a brand new video that has been customized to your need. So all these 8 you'll be having at the front end. And once you make your upgrade, you have access to the sales pages, and of course if you upgrade to the business in a box offer, you have all of this hosted for you. And I recommend you go for that because you will have multi-channels of making money from the video app suite. You could make money by reselling your videos. You could also make money by becoming an agency, creating videos for people, which you could create an account on Fiverr to become a video creating service provider. You could also sell the video app themselves. Imagine being able to sell all of these 8 video apps independently. You make the choice of what amount you want to sell the video apps to. Let's say you were to give out this video app at $50 per apps. You end up making well about $400 selling out 8 of these video apps, which in turn is a high return on investment for getting all of these 8 apps for the price of 1 app. That's insane, right? Now, you could also have access to all of these other apps which are niche specific when you make your upgrade. And of course, you see that already labeled premiums, and you could also see the bonus which you will get right inside your account. Now, before I go on, let me also show you what other bonuses you will stand to get when you go for your video app suite right now. These are the regular bonuses which you can find. On the regular bonus, exclusive bonus 1, you're also going to see artificial intelligence logo creator, which is what, about $67. This allows you to create professional eye-catching logos and sell them to local business for about $300 to $500, or integrate them with your video app suite videos in seconds. You have your exclusive bonus number 2, which is about 8,000 content engine library, which allows you to quickly find content from hottest niches without writing a single word. Content engine comes with a library of about 80,000 content pieces from all hot niches. And something interesting, if you do get video apps suite at this time and you have access to yet to launch product, which is our Doc Studio suite, I tell you that sky is just a starting point, because with your Doc Studio and access to this particular content engine here, you can fetch any kind of content and build it into an ebook, build it into a magazine, build it into a PDF, which you can automatically start sharing and building your leads from there and build a loyal following. So you really see the synergy that goes with video app suite and our exclusive VVIP offer when you get video app suite now. Now, scrolling down, you get to see other offers. You have our exclusive videos for video app suite agency website. You have an entire website worth about $297 of value. And to scroll down, you also get to see our exclusive bonus for campaign cloner software, which helps you to clone our most performing Facebook ads campaign, which you can use, and of course add your video ads campaign which you've created from video ads suite. Now we have another exclusive bonus number 5, 22 call to action professional video rather voiceovers, which you get. As you scroll down, you also get to see exclusive bonus number 6, which is royalty free music tracks, what about $197. And you have the exclusive bonus number 7, done for you call to action sales scripts. And that brings you to exclusive bonus number 8, the HD stock video bundle. All of these are crazy offers which you will get once you act within the next 7 hours before our VVIP bonus is brought down for video app suite. So right here on Video App Suite, once you get on Video App Suite, you can choose to log in here to get to see our intro and outro video creator app. So once you click on this, it shows you, it brings you on to our intro outro expert here, and you could see our collection of templates which you can just pick from and of course edit it to add your logo. So let's say you want to pick any of these. Let's see explosive logo. You click on explosive logo. Explosive logo is going to pop out for you to preview it and know if it's truly what you want to work with. All right, so can you see that? It exposes your logo and your website. So once you have this, all you need to do is come down here, select create video. It starts setting up the platform environment for you to edit it properly. So right here you can see it is quite easy. All you need to do is select this. You can now select to replace your logo. You could also select to put in your tagline. So if you select logo right here, I can pick whatever logo I want. Let it be a transparent background logo. So I could pick a logo from my desktop. I could just browse it and it picks a logo from my desktop right here. Or I could choose to pick from Pixabay or Unsplash to pick of course royalty images or Unsplash here to pick whatever image I want to work with. So going to pick a menu there, I just pick this logo now. I'm selecting the logo from my machine here. All right, so here it is. I've selected the logo, and you could choose to crop it. Let's say, let's try seeing if we could crop it. Okay, let's see. All right, so crop requires this. So all I need to do is to drag this down there. Let's see, that's the image required there. So I've cropped my logo right in there. Okay, I can still choose to select this for the ensure that I don't have the black in there. Right, so we crop that in there. All right, so we have the recommended size there. My tagline, I could just say whatever website you want to put in here. You could just have let's just say quickpromo.net. All right, so that's the thumbs up, and whatever tagline you want to have there, you could just come over and say next. So you can play around with your choice logos here, choice colors, whatever you want. You could also come down to next. You could select whatever music you want. You hit next. And all you need to do, you could start rendering. Rendering will create a new explosive logo for you with your logo inside it. And once it's rendered, you are going to find it right inside your dashboard. So once it's finished rendering, you're also going to find it right there. So let's now go over to check out other apps, and we have the Cover Pro. Cover Pro, like I mentioned, you could preview the sales page, which you can then load to use on your sales page right here. See, you could visit the sales page directly. You could also edit the sales video. You could download the sales page to use for yourself in promoting this app. I have not seen something as this awesome. So once you have this, you can also come over to login to see how the app creates your cover videos for you, which you can use on Facebook as well as on Instagram or Pinterest. So right here you have collections of templates which you can select from and use. Let's say your services is about let's say shakes and smoothies, and you select this. It does a preview for you. Pretty the same thing follows. Once you're okay with a preview, like you can see on the preview here, all right, so we have that. I pause it there. Once you're okay with a preview, all you need to do, come create a video, and it launches you to the editor process where it takes you on a step-by-step wizard. There's nothing as easy as being guided by a wizard, and that helps you to know that of course you are in the right hands. You are being guided to get to your expected result. So there's not much learning curve. You don't need to go watching tutorials or being guided on what to do before you get your result. But right on screen here, you get everything done for yourself. So right here you could see the entire scene layout here. depending on the number of images you get add. So once you add it, you could select any scene and edit it however you want it to be. So once you edit that, you can of course come to next, which will take you to the music section, and you can now go over to finish it or render to create your own video. And of course, something interesting again with this on the edit process here, you can always edit your logo as we've just selected there, and you can always resize your designs and see the titles as well as the title text which you can add. Now going over to the next video, here is the live mockup, which I also like this a lot. You can also click here to see the sales page. You can download the sales page, you can edit the video in it and reuse it as your own app. That is quite interesting. So we'll hit on login now to also get into Mockup Live app. So right here on the Mockup Live app, you have the option to also select from template collections here to have your logo within the footage which we have here. So let's say I'm working with this footage of a lady sleeping out in the sky, or rather in a beach layout. I could just select this and preview it. It's coming up. So all we need to do, we hit play to preview this. And you see it. See how it's gradually revealing your brand logo. Right, so if you're cool with what this does, all you need to do again is the same process. You scroll down and you hit on create video. So you see how it gradually reveals your logo. So that's about our 10 seconds video. So if we're cool with that, we come back and hit on create video, and it does create our video for us. So it's setting up into our video editor. So right here, pretty the same thing you do. You select your image, you add it right there. You get on to next. You add your image for your scenes which you want to use right there. So once you select whatever image you want to replace this with, let's say we pick from library. We've not added any to the library, so we could just pick this again. So I picked that and I add it down there. Okay, and having added that, I just hit on choose. I have it set up. I can now hit on next, select any of the music I want to select. Of course, you could now click and start rendering. It does the entire project rendering for you, and you are going to find your girl in the pool is queue and will mail you as soon as it's done. And once it's done, you're going to find a queue. So 2 seconds ago, this was set in the queue. So again, another app which you have access to right here is your slide machine. So the same thing also applies. If you log into your slide machine, pretty the same process. All this does for you is to compile all your images for you, and you form it into a slide. If you like this, you click on it, it previews the video, and of course you could come down here and hit on create video, and it launches it into the editor. And you could also find the layout where you can adjust it however you want it to be. So right here, you could adjust it whatever you want it to be, add your image, change your image layout there. And once you're done with that, you can also see the entire scenes which you can keep adding to make up your video slides. And once you're done, you create a new video for yourself and change your logo the way it is here. So this is quite faster than having to learn how to use your PowerPoint to create slide videos for you. So with the slide machine, you have top-notch templates you can work with. All you need to do is replace the images. Now again, we have the Story Monarch here, so you can also click on the Story Monarch to see the layout for our Story Monarch. So our Story Monarch, you also have slides you can pick from, and you see a special preview here for your slides. So whichever one you want to work with, if you choose to work with this, all you need to do, create on video, and it's going to take you through the process of editing the videos. So pretty the same flow too. So you can see it right here. So I can select any of these images to replace it with what I want it to be. You could also scroll down here, see your entire image replaced, and you could see the entire scene set up here. So I could switch from one niche to another and edit it however I want it to be. Okay, previewing the other videos, we have the whiteboard here. Same thing, if you log in, you get to see the whiteboard. So in the whiteboard, it does pretty the same thing. If you click on this, it preview the kind of video you can create with whiteboard. So you can see that. So the same thing also applies. You come down here and create video. It takes you to the editor, the video editing tool for this particular kind of video designs. And all you need to do, follow the wizard process, add your title, and off it goes, editing it for you. Other ones you find here is the video architect. On the video arts architect, this allows you to create video arts that you can use. So let's say you belong to the pet niche and you have this there. You can now use this video arts. You can put your website right there, and you have this arts displayed. You could use it anywhere. So once you hit and create video, you have access to this particular video app that does only arts creation for you across your social arts networks which you want to use it for. Of course, you can scroll down and see the titles and see how you can use it. And right here, you can see the videos created. You can also see the niche flow here, add your images the way you want to add. Of course, you can always change your video title header at this point here. And once you're done editing what you want to edit, you can go over to next to see other previews that you can get done and see all the pages that you want. Or you could come to the top here, hit next to go over to your music section, and thereafter you finish to render it. And of course, we now move finally into our custom video effects. What custom video effects does for you, it allows you to pick any video from your machine. And of course, once you hit and start, it allows you to call up any video you already have on your local machine. So you can now come down here, select video. Do I have any video here I can use? Let's see. Or a quick video we can use that is not too big. Okay, let's see, we're using this. I have that video added there. So that's it about our video app suite, which allows you to have access to a hub of 8 powerful video editing applications, which you can also resell independently and make your 100% profit to yourself. All of this put together by my very good friend Paul Pona, and again to guarantee you a very powerful success within this next 7 hours if you take action to click on the link from this page right here. You will have access to my 3 powerful yet to launch software apps, which are Dark Studio FX, X-Influencer, and my Omni Marketo. All of this put together is what more than $5,000 put together that I'm giving out to you as our premium VVIP bonus if you do get video app suite now. So at very first, you see watching this video, click on the call to action button right below to learn more about video app suite. And once you do, send a ticket to us, and of course you have instant access to all of these offers put together. And again, remember, you are protected with a money back guarantee. If all of these offered to you, you hit your head and tell yourself, now that this does not suit me in any way, then your money will be paid all back to you. And of course, you've already gotten access to the bonuses. You can keep it up to yourself. But I'm sure that you are sincere. Of course, you want to always show appreciation for the good that has been done to you. So you wouldn't want to go that way, but rather you want to use this entire offer at the best as it is to enrich yourself. Once again, thank you.